Programming a key fob for your 2003-2008 Toyota Matrix is a straightforward DIY task that can save you money. You'll need a compatible key fob, either original or OEM equivalent, operating on a 3/4.4 MHz frequency. The process involves synchronizing the remote with your car's engine control unit by cycling the ignition switch from off to on, then back, a specific number of times while pressing the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Make sure your car battery is well charged above 12 volts to prevent errors. For 2003-2006 models, program one fob at a time, while later models allow batch programming. Here's how to program your Toyota Matrix key fob. Start with cycling the ignition switch from off to on 5 times. Next, hold down the lock button on your key fob. Finally, press the unlock button within 3 seconds of releasing the lock button. If programming doesn't work, double-check the timing of your button presses. Incorrect timing can lock the system. You can usually reset it by using the driver's door switch. A common issue is the fob not syncing after a battery replacement. Remember, precision is key, as one wrong step could potentially compromise your vehicle's security system. If you run into trouble, online forums and YouTube tutorials, like those from Auto Repair Guys, offer troubleshooting tips. But if problems persist, professional help is advised.